The Amazon River, the lifeblood of the world's largest rainforest, is home to monstrous creatures lurking in the depths of this gigantic waterway that stretches across South America. This vast ecosystem not only supports thousands of species of plants and animals but also harbors a world of ferocious predators and prey, where every corner is a battleground. The Amazon is infamous for breeding monstrous creatures. This massive river system has evolved over millions of years, creating a unique environment that fosters the growth of an incredible array of species, from tiny predators to gargantuan monsters. The Amazon is a labyrinth of life, where every twist and turn is a fight for survival. The thundering waters, suspicious ripples, and dark shadows conceal unimaginable dangers, from stealthy tiny creatures to massive beasts that rule the currents. The Amazon is a grand stage where nature showcases its most brutal power. One of the most notorious monsters in the Amazon is the green anaconda, a giant ruler of the waters. Its robust body, olive green in color with black oval spots, adds to its majestic aura, as if it can record everything. They typically inhabit slow-moving waters in rivers, swamps, and lakes throughout the Amazon basin. The green anaconda is one of the longest and heaviest snakes in the world, reaching lengths of over 7 meters and weighing up to 100 kilograms. Although anacondas continue to grow throughout their lives, there may be biological limitations that prevent them from reaching unlimited weights. Their growth slows down as they age, and the larger they get, the more energy they need to move and hunt. Green anacondas are skilled swimmers and spend most of their time in the water, hiding among vegetation or stalking prey on the riverbanks. They are incredibly powerful snakes, capable of withstanding immense water pressure and diving to depths of several meters. With their eyes and nostrils located on top of their heads, green anacondas can remain submerged in water while observing and breathing, enhancing their hunting abilities. They are ambush predators that use their constricting power to kill their prey. Their diet consists of various animals, including fish, birds, mammals, and even small caimans. After successfully ambushing their prey, the anaconda will wrap its body tightly around the victim. The anaconda will squeeze its prey mercilessly until it eventually dies from asphyxiation or heart failure. Then, the anaconda will swallow its prey whole, starting from the head. Its elastic skin allows the anaconda to consume prey much larger than its head size. Among the ranks of monsters, there is also the piranha fish that moves in organized groups. They are armed with razor-sharp teeth, like bloodthirsty devils. Although small in size, but in large numbers, they become an unstoppable force. With their sharp teeth, they tear apart their prey in an instant, regardless of the prey's size. They can devour a body, leaving only bones in a matter of minutes, turning the waters into a killing field. The red-bellied piranha, or Pygocentris naturari, is a notorious carnivore in the Amazon. They have a flat body shape with a length of 15 to 25 centimeters, and some individuals can reach up to 40 centimeters. Their distinctive feature is their bright orange-red belly, especially during the breeding season. Their jaws are equipped with triangular teeth that are sharp and interlocking, seemingly designed for tearing flesh. The red-bellied piranha is the most widespread piranha species in the Amazon basin, inhabiting flooded forests. They tend to gather in large groups, especially in areas with abundant food. They are notorious for their reputation as voracious carnivores. Fortunately, although they feed on fish, crustaceans, insects, and carrion, attacks on large living animals are less common than popularly depicted. The arapaima, also known as the pirarucu in Brazil, is one of the largest freshwater fish in the world. It can grow up to 2.5 meters in length and weigh up to 200 kilograms. Its sleek, cylindrical body is covered in large, hard scales that resemble armor. Arapaima are typically found in calm waters in large rivers, lakes, and flooded forests throughout the Amazon basin. They prefer areas with dense aquatic vegetation, where they can hide and ambush prey. As apex predators, arapaima are opportunistic feeders. They consume a variety of fish, crustaceans, insects, and even small birds and mammals that fall into the water. They are known to be patient hunters, hiding among vegetation and ambushing unsuspecting prey. To breathe atmospheric air, Arapaima use their modified swim bladder, which allows them to survive in waters with low oxygen levels. Arapaima can grow rapidly, reaching impressive sizes in relatively short periods. This enables them to avoid predation and reach sexual maturity at around 5 years old. They breed during the flood season, when the water level rises and floods the surrounding forests. Males build nests in shallow waters and lay up to 6,000 eggs. The males then guard the eggs and young fish. Despite their rapid growth, Arapaima have long been an important food source for indigenous communities in the Amazon. Overfishing, habitat loss, and pollution have led to a drastic decline in Arapaima populations, and the species is now listed as endangered. The black caiman is one of the top predators in the Amazon, feared for its powerful jaws and razor-sharp teeth. Its bite force can reach over 2,000 psi, with some estimates suggesting it can reach as high as 3,000 psi. Although there is no definitive direct measurement, this force is more than enough to crush bones and turtle shells. Black caimans inhabit various freshwater habitats throughout the Amazon basin, including rivers, swamps, and slow-moving waters with dense vegetation. As opportunistic apex predators, they prey on a wide range of animals, from fish to mammals, with surprising speed. Their exceptional night vision enables them to hunt effectively in low-light conditions. The electric eel is also one of the most menacing inhabitants of the Amazon. Despite being called an eel, this creature is actually more closely related to the knifefish than to true eels. The electric eel has an elongated, cylindrical body that can reach up to 2.5 meters in length and weigh around 20 kilograms. With its sleek body and sharp eyes, it's not only a symbol of the Amazon but also a formidable threat. As its name suggests, it has the ability to generate an electric current of up to 860 volts, which it uses to stun its prey or even kill humans who carelessly approach it. With just one touch, this creature is capable of stopping a heart. Electric eels can generate varying levels of electric voltage depending on their size and species. The Electroporus elecurcus can produce a voltage of around 600 volts, while the Electroporus volti holds the record with a voltage of up to 860 volts, making it the strongest electric-producing animal in the world. Meanwhile, the Electroporus vari produces a lower voltage. The voltage produced by electric eels is usually accompanied by a relatively strong electric current of around 1 ampere. The electric shocks they produce typically last for a very short duration, around 2 milliseconds. Nevertheless, they can release a series of shocks in rapid succession. The emergence of various monsters in the Amazon is undoubtedly linked to the Amazon River itself. With a length of approximately 6,992 kilometers and over 1,100 tributaries, the Amazon stretches across an area of over 7 million square kilometers. This vast size provides ample space for various species to grow and develop, reducing competition among species and allowing for the emergence of unique ecological niches. The Amazon River features a variety of microhabitats, ranging from fast-flowing main streams to calm lakes and from flooded forests to swamps. The Amazon offers diverse microhabitats that support species specialization. This variation enables the emergence of unique species and, in some cases, changes towards more extreme sizes and strengths. The interconnected river system allows for migration and genetic exchange among populations, enriching the genetic diversity of the river. Abundant sunlight, warm temperatures, and high rainfall promote the growth of phytoplankton and aquatic vegetation, forming the basis of a rich food web that supports large populations of fish, insects, and other aquatic animals. The abundance of food resources also enables top predators to access virtually unlimited food sources, allowing them to grow larger and stronger. This is further enhanced by annual flooding, which brings nutrients into the river system, triggering explosions of plankton and fish populations. This seasonal abundance provides a feast for predators, enabling them to accumulate energy reserves necessary for reproduction and survival during the dry season. In addition to the variety of microhabitats and abundant resources, the Amazon River features a geographically isolated environment. The Amazon is isolated by two major geographical features: the Guyana Shield to the north and the Andes Mountains to the west. These natural barriers limit genetic exchange with populations outside the Amazon basin, allowing species within the basin to undergo independent evolution and develop unique adaptations to local conditions. The combination of geographical isolation and relative environmental stability in the Amazon over millions of years has driven the development of new species within the Amazon basin. This explains why many Amazonian species, including some of the monsters described, are found nowhere else on Earth. On the other hand, the abundance of resources does not mean the absence of competition in the Amazon. Top predators compete fiercely among themselves and with other species for food, territory, and mates. This competition drives the evolution of larger body sizes, more effective natural weapons, and sophisticated hunting strategies. Although at the top of the food chain, the Amazon's monsters are not entirely safe from threats. Juveniles and weak individuals remain vulnerable to attacks from other predators. This predation pressure drives the development of robust defense mechanisms, such as thick skin, toxins, and aggressive behavior. Despite being relatively stable, the Amazon is still subject to change. Human activities and environmental changes impose additional selective pressures on its inhabitants, forcing species to adapt or face extinction.